Today is Monday again, and I just want to show you the same strategy I showed you last Monday. So if you trade Forex, this is for you. My account is at 13.38, and I take only 2 trades because the balance is small. I use 0.03 as a lot size and 0.02 as a lot size for the other one. So what is the strategy? Go to your charts. This is derivative trading view because derivative gives the same charts that that trading view gives, so you can always use that. Go to derivative trading view and open Forex pairs and look for USD JPY. I only trade one pair, and I trade the same session for like an hour. I'm out. So this is what happens. I'm in Nairobi. So in Nairobi, New York session currently opens at 10 until somewhere I think around October because of DST, daylight savings time or something. So go to your trading view. You can see the time there is 10 UTC plus 3. That is Nairobi time. I mark the open and the close of 10. That one candle 10, you'll see 10 a.m. mark 10 a.m. on the 5-minute chart. Note 5 minutes time frame. Once I open 5 minutes time frame, what do? I mark the open, the black lines. You can see that the black lines, that is the open and the close. And if you look at it, we have had the market was going down since Friday. So what do you think is going to happen? It's going to feel the liquidity at the top. It's going to go higher because, of course, even right now, what is high, USD or JPY? Just think economically. If you get it right, you'll always have winning trades. And anybody can do this because I have $13, 13.38. And immediately a candle opens above. Remember, above the opening price of the first candle. I click buy with my lot size of 0.03 and 0.02. And then all I need to wait for is for the market to play out. So somebody might ask me, why did I take a buy instead of a sell? The first candle, 10 a.m. was a buy, right? So for me, all my trades, I'm gonna be on the buy side. If it was a sell, I would have looked for sells, but it was a buy. 10 a.m. New York open. From there, I put, for the lot size of 0.03, I put the first TP, I think 143.20. It was like 40 pips there, if I can recall well. And then the other one I placed at 143 I think 143.89 or something. Yeah. So the first one got taken out very quickly, and I'm gonna fast forward the trade so you can see that. So this is my whole trade. I just place the trade and then I leave. I come back to check if the TP has been hit. I don't put a stop loss for some trades, but for some I put a stop loss. So it's totally up to you to decide how you want to take it. So for me, some trades I put a stop loss, others I don't. So like for this one, because I could see there was a very long wick at 10 a.m. on the downside, I was like, yo, let me not put a stop loss because the market may surely always come down to that, then pump up. But I'm glad to say both of the TPs were taken, and now the account is at 30. So you can do this every Monday, every Tuesday, every Wednesday, every Thursday, every Friday. 5 days a week, 10 a.m. Nairobi time. Mark the open and the close of the first candle in New York, that is 10 a.m. That is what you use to take your trade. Once it breaks above, if it's a buy side, take the trade. Once it breaks below and is a sell side, take the trade. Put realistic TP1, TP2, whatever you want. Sometimes, like for this one, I noticed TP2, I had put it at 144.20, and then I realized, yo, the market might not get that far. There was another resistance that was created in between there. So I took that one. I moved the TP there and the TP was hit. So let me fast forward the trade and you'll be able to see how the trade panned out. Take a look at the trades, understand how I took the trades, and if there's something you don't understand, make sure to comment on the comment section and I'm gonna reply to you. So tomorrow again at 10 a.m. I'm gonna take the same trade depending on where the market is gonna break. Wednesday the same, Thursday the same, Friday the same. And then I'm gonna show you what my balance is gonna be on Friday. And remember, I started with 13.39. You can get $13.39, or you can get less than that and use a lower lot size, use 0.01. Then I just hope for the best. But this is what there is in Forex and in binary or in any trading. All these you can see, like for example, I faced, what is it called, I almost got a margin call because the market moved to where I was telling you, to that week. You can see the week where it opened. I was sure it's gonna come there and then pump up. Mostly I would take a trade from that week, but sometimes you find that you wait and then it breaks completely up and you miss a trade. So I just take the risk based on what is the balance on my account. So make sure, exercise risk management and make sure to make good money. I wish you the very best and I hope you all make money. At the end of the day, trading is gambling, binary is gambling, forex is gambling, everything is gambling. Even life itself is gambling. But what we look for is edges that make us win. We don't always win 100% of the time, but we win most of the time if we have an edge. So get your edge. This is an edge that I'm sharing with you that I've used for the longest time. You can use it if it works for you, well and good. Forex is simple. Trading is simple. Some people just like complicating it and looking like they are super smart. It's bullshit. This is an edge that you can use. All the best, guys. See you tomorrow on Tuesday as we take the same trade. Bye bye. I'm now gonna fast forward the trade and you're gonna see to the end when I make the money. Bye bye. So I'm going to explain to you what I saw here before I moved the stop. You can see my TP was at 143.20, but I did move this to a lower one because it's the only trade that is remaining. I realized at 143 point, I think 11, there was a resistance that was being created there, and I was not quite sure if the market is gonna close there. And plus, I am using a lot size of 0.02, so what do I have to gain? I'll only gain like $1 or $2 extra. So I was like 8.3, 8.52 was good enough for me. So instead of waiting for that TP, I just closed the position, and that's how it all ended. 30.31 from $13. Only two trades. If I had a bigger account, I'd use a lot size of 0.1 or sometimes even 0.5, but it depends with the size of the account. If you have a small account, use a small balance. If you have a huge account, use a huge lot size. That is all, guys, and I wish you the very best. Enjoy trading this edge and make sure you make money, because the aim is to make money. And if you're doing any deposits into dairy for your trading account, always use money.moneyhgg.com. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.